Hello, good morning. Today we are going to learn how to count from 11 to 20 and some vocabulary. Let's go. 11. Wideke, wideke. 12. Wieve, wieve. 13. Wieton, wieton. 14. Wiene, wiene. 15. Wiaton, wiaton. 16. Wiadin, wiadin. 17. Wiandrin, wiandrin. 18. Wieni, wieni. 19. Wiasheke, wiasheke. 20. Blave, blave. Let's take it again. Wideke, wideke. Wieve, wieve. Wieton, wieton. Wienne, wienne. Wiaton, wiaton. Wiadin, wiadin. Wiandrin, wiandrin. Wieni, wieni. Wiasheke, wiasheke. Blave, blave. You've done it. Okay. Last time we learned about family members, but we still haven't seen everything. So let's look at some. Okay, paternal aunt, no, paternal uncle. Paternal uncle is Henry, Henry, or Nine, Nine. The Mina people say Nine, and some Arab people or the Anglo people they say Henry. That's maternal uncle. You remember paternal uncle? Paternal uncle is different. So paternal uncle is Atagan or Atavi. That is from the Mina people. While the Anglo people say Togan or Todi. Okay. For cousin, the other people say Che or Eche, Che, Chenya. That's my cousin. Chenya. That's cousin. So Che, Che, Che. Simple. Okay, so tomorrow. Tomorrow is Echo. But because we say even yesterday we say Echo, there is a way to distinguish when you are saying tomorrow or yesterday. So tomorrow is like, it goes like this: Echo Sigbona. Coming tomorrow, Echo Sigbona. Yesterday it is Echo Sivai, Echo Sivai, Echo Sivai, Echo Sigbona. So let's take it again. Tomorrow is Echo Sigbona, Echo Sigbona. And yesterday is Echo Sivai, Echo Sivai. Today is Egba, Egba. The Mina people say Egbe, Egbe. Um, the week is Koshida. Koshida. The Mina people say Kosida. Kosida. Month is Jinu. Jinu. While the Mina people say Wuleti or Releti. Wuleti or Releti. So how do you say month again? So we have like 3 words for it. So month is Jinu, Releti or Wuleti. Year is Epe, Epe or Efe, Efe. Okay, so the moon. The moon is the same as the months in every language. So the moon is Jinu, Jinu, Leti, Uleti. That is, we have the same. Even there's something else which is called as Jinu as well, which is what? Menstruation. Menstruation is also Jinu, Jinu Popo. So that's something else. Yes. Okay, so the sunshine. The sun is Ndokuchu, Ndokuchu or Ndokusu, Ndokusu. Okay, I hope you've learned something today. Let's stop here and see you next time. Please subscribe and like my video. Okay, miadogo, miadogo.